Hey guys, welcome back to Simply Living and welcome to today's episode. So today's episode is going to be on the bathroom renovation, something like that. I've been waiting so long to finish this room, you guys, and even just to tackle it down because I hated this. It just didn't go with the rest of my decor and the color scheme, so we finally got to it. The main reason why we decided to renovate the bathroom was because the vanity inside was just too large for this bathroom. When you would open the door, it would almost hit the vanity, and then the bathroom was right behind the door. It was just a mess. I really wanted to make it seem, obviously make more sense and beautiful, because the brown happening in there, beige, it just didn't work for me, and I thought that it just felt really dark. I needed to make it bright and airy. The first plan was to move the shower, but we didn't move it because it would have been much more work, more time, more expensive, because that means more material. We only have one bathroom in this home. This is a 2-bedroom, 1-bath home, so you have to sometimes just deal with what you got. And we try to make smart choices to make it quick and easier for us, since we are beginners. We do not know anything about this. Well, my husband has an idea because he does work in the same industry, so we kind of have an idea, but we didn't want to make it too complicated on us, especially for our first project. We just wanted to keep it simple. So we decided to leave the tub where it was, or the shower, and just replace it with new tile, new tub, new floor, new vanity, and maybe move the toilet over to add some storage in that little nook. Since I have mentioned before that I do want to move, or the washer and dryer, to the hallway, because right now it's right by the kitchen, and I just don't think that makes any sense. It just doesn't make sense to me, since we were eliminating the big vanity in the bathroom. Even though I didn't have enough storage anyways, we were going to bring in a smaller one, which was going to really cut it even more down, and I needed a place to really have storage for that. Since the bathroom is really small, I wanted to go all white because I wanted it to be like a relaxing, airy, calm, chill bath moment, and then just add a little bit of warmth with maybe some woven baskets. I originally didn't want a brown vanity. It's like a faux wood. It's pressed wood, but it has like a wood detail in there. I originally wasn't gonna go that route. I was gonna get like a white vanity to make it even more brighter, but they were more expensive, and I didn't want to go above the $100 mark on the vanity. We really stuck to budget with this makeover just because we do not plan on staying here. We might sell the house in a few more years, maybe rent it out. So we didn't really want to splurge for a house that we're not going to be in forever. We did want to make it beautiful and obviously makes sense. In the end, I really fell in love with the vanity because since the bathroom is gray walls, white shower, I think that it needed a little bit of a warmth, and the vanity tied it, I think, with the rest of the color scheme, which in the end I really liked, and I really do love it. I wanted to add some black accents, maybe a black fixture, and obviously black details like maybe black baskets. I originally wanted matte black faucets in the shower and the sink, but you guys, matte black faucets are really expensive, and like I said, I was not planning on spending so much money on a bathroom that I'm not going to be in forever. So we decided to go the affordable way and just stick to nickel. We did that in the vanity and in the shower. Now, I typically don't like the hose showers, but we decided to add a shower head for 2 reasons. It's easier for me to give Noah a bath with it, you know. I don't have to use a cup, pour water on him. I can just use the hose freely. Easier. I don't hurt my back while doing it. Another good thing about it is just that it's so much easier to clean the shower. I hated cleaning the bathroom because I would do like the whole cup situation where I would grab water and then, you know, splash it on the walls. But now with the hose, you guys, it's even easier for me, quicker, and I'm actually really happy with that. I have no complaints. It doesn't even look that bad. The budget was a very important aspect in remodeling. We wanted to do the most affordable things, but also make it prettier as well. It was just a very huge process, obviously, behind all that. The tearing walls, the ripping out the tub, and putting the new floor in. It was a lot of work, you guys. The tub was one of the biggest issues because it was a cast iron tub. So when we really tried to pull that out, it was nearly impossible. We had to cut it in half in order to take it out. It was just so much in this process and this problem, and it's done. For some reason, I feel like shelves should be in an odd number. which is why we added 3. I didn't want to add too many. One of the main reasons of why I wanted floating shelves was because I want to store towels here, cleaning supplies, and obviously the toilet paper. I wanted to move like everything from my hallway closet in here, like stuff that needs to be in the bathroom. I want them to be more accessible, which is why I am moving them in here. And here it is, the long-awaited bathroom makeover. It is finally done. I'm actually very, very happy with the way that it turned out. I never imagined that our bathroom would look this beautiful. I personally love it. My favorite part is the shower, of course. It just feels so serene and peaceful. I actually requested a shower niche or nook for the shampoo bottles just because I hate the way that they look on the edge of the bathtub, and this just makes it look so much prettier. And of course, I was gonna add black accents throughout the whole bathroom.
Them words in the open and they are
And that is all for today's episode. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye!